Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can use DALL-E 3 for free to create image with AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to go to your browser and then you have to search for DALL-E 3 Bing, and there will be a website called bing.com and you have to open this website. You will find DALL-E 3 in this website, and then you will be able to create image with DALL-E 3. And then don't forget to log into this website before you use DALL-E 3. And here I have logged in, and we just need to click on surprise me, and then you can write a prompt to create image with AI. And then I'm just going to paste my prompt. I have create prompt, and then I'm going to click on create. Okay, and just wait for a moment until the image has been created for you. Okay, and now the image has been created, and this is the result. And I'm going to download the image we have just created with the AI. Okay, I'm just going to select this one. I'm going to download it to my device. Okay, and as you can see guys, that this website is powered by DALL-E 3. So if you want to use the DALL-E 3, you need to go to the bing.com, and then you will be able to create image with DALL-E 3. Alright guys, and that's all the way to use DALL-E 3 for free to create image. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.